Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 17th of December 2018. Okay guys, it was an excellent day with trading and I'm going to start today's discussion from EURUSD. So guys, today I've supplied the bullish signal in case of EURUSD. The entry was 113137 and 113432 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry that I have supplied in the morning, the EURUSD has started making the bullish pattern and finally it hit the target price that I have supplied in my signals report. So I congratulate all those traders who went bullish in EURUSD because it was a clear bullish trend from our side. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. A bullish signal was supplied from 125.875 and 126.441 was the target price. And guys, the result is on the screen. You can see from the chart, the market started to go up right from the entry and finally it hit the target price, and after that it get dropped, but we have nothing to do with the drop because target price was already hit. Okay, now let's talk about USDJPY. Okay, so guys, the expectations were weaker on USDJPY. And that is why I have supplied the bearish signal from 113448 and 113289 was the target price. And guys, however, my signal was a bit lesser in the gap, but the drop was much bigger that I was not expecting in the morning. Drop was much bigger. And if you have traded USDJPY as per the recommendations of 200forexpips.com, then you must have collected a heavy profit with no problems. Okay, now let's talk about AUDUSD. Let me switch my chart here. So overall, if you look at the AUDUSD pattern, then it's just leaning on the entry level. So guys, we have preferred scalping. So 071754 was the bullish entry, and you can say the market stayed above the entry and we have just done scalping and there was no chances to make a very good profit because the market was not performing well. Okay, now let's talk about the drop that we have seen today on USDCHF. It was predicted by 200forexpips.com right in the morning. 099734 was the bearish entry and 099468 was the target price. And guys, you can see the drop was bigger and it hit the target price with no problem. So if you have traded USDCHF today, then you must have collected a very good profit. Okay, similarly, a very good profit is taken today on Great Britain Pound JPY. A bullish trend was supplied from 142811. However, the target price was 143512. It does not meet the target price, but it went up to 143220. However, the entry was 142811, so that was the gap to take a profit on Great Britain Pound JPY. So if you have traded this one, then you must have done a profitable trade. Okay, the same thing happened with EURJPY. So it went up right from the entry. For few hours from the entry, I was bullish from 128352 and the market stayed up from the entry. You can see here, this is the 4-hour pattern. The market went bullish and after that it went down. So if you have traded this 30% of the gap of the signal, then you must have collected the profit. Okay, a big drop is seen today on AUDJPY, and that's the last signal of my signals report, and I have supplied the clear bearish trend in case of AUDJPY. The entry was 81354 and 80854 was the target price. And guys, you can clearly see we have a big drop on AUDJPY and the market has completely went down. At last, I'm going to talk about USD Canadian dollar. We have just closed the trade on this pair, and 133858 was the bullish entry and 134035 was the target price. And guys, I have supplied the lesser gap because I was not expecting a very high upward trend. So it hit the target price. So our signal was expired. So guys, it was a very good day with trading with no problem. So if you have traded today, then hopefully you people must have traded very good profits. And guys, hopefully in the next video, I'm going to also update about the Telegram channel. Now I'm going to talk about the traders who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market has started making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, you can sell the pair, and whenever you see that the market is making the bullish pattern from the lower red boundary, you can buy the pair. If the scalper is the white arrow, if the white arrow indicates you to take a buy position into the lower red zones, then you can trust this one and look how straightly the market has went up. And this scalper does not repaints, and whenever it gives the signal at the top in the form of red arrow, then it means that it is indicating you to sell the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.